At EPICourses, we supply federally mandated HIPAA compliance education courses online. And in keeping with evolving cybersecurity issues and audit defense requirements, we cover both Title II mandates separately: HIPAA privacy and HIPAA security. Every year, all employees and contractors of covered entities and business associates must prove that these courses have been completed. We make this a simple and convenient online process. Purchase the course, log in and take the lecture, complete the short quiz, and get your certificate of completion. Do not worry about losing track. We store the certificates and student record for you. EPICourses offers tools for business too. You can purchase and assign the courses to any size group using our organization management tools. You will be able to track their progress and verify course completion. In addition to HIPAA, we provide mandated annual education for ACA OIG Medicare Compliance and OSHA for healthcare. Take advantage of discounted pricing for course bundles. As a covered entity or business associate, you must have proven annual compliance education. We ease this burden. You worry about your business. Let us take care of compliance education. EPICourses. It's all in one place.